Dear friends, welcome to Know Thyself YouTube channel. Good morning. Hope you are all staying safe and keeping well. I sincerely thank all of you who have subscribed to this channel and follow the channel. If you find the contents of the videos uploaded in this channel useful, please subscribe to this channel and click the notification or the bell icon so that you can be notified when a video is uploaded. Kindly share the videos with others or in the internet. In the last two episodes of Know Your Personality segment, we presented 5 most compatible pairs of Enneagram types. In this episode, we consider another 2 most compatible pairs of Enneagram types. 6. Compatibility of type 6, loyalist, skeptic, with type 9, peacemaker, mediator. Loyalists type 6 are loyal, trustworthy, devoted, hardworking, responsible, practical, reflective, caring, supportive, and both logical and emotional. They honor commitments, keep the promises they make, able to understand others' perspectives, protective of those they care, foresee challenges, anticipate problems, and think of the possible solutions. However, they fear external threats, unpredictable situations, and unsafe environments. They are concerned about losing personal support system and stability, and they are anxious about other people being untrustworthy, disloyal, and fail to give support and guidance. When they are confronted with any of the above situations, they become suspicious, worried, and anxious. They suffer from self-doubt and develop undue concern about their safety and security. They get caught up in negative and pessimistic thoughts and expect worst things to happen, and they find it difficult to trust others. Hence, they keep themselves to their comfort zone as they have serious trust issues. Peacemakers type 9 would make great partners to loyalists type 6 because peacemakers type 9, with their sincerity, having no ulterior motives or agenda, and peace-loving, calm, composed, and non-judgmental nature, can provide a calming, caring, soothing, trustworthy, and anchoring presence, thereby help the loyalists type 6 to overcome their trust issue, feel more safe and secure, and get back to balance, stability, and normalcy. Peacemakers type 9 are accepting, agreeable, optimistic, adaptive in their behavior, calm, composed, accommodative, open-minded, and suspend judgment until they arrive at the truth of the given situation. They desire peace, both internal and external. Strive to be balanced, stable, and in harmonious relationship with others. Enjoy being alone or with small groups. Highly perceptive, informed through their gut instincts, able to see multiple perspectives, and capable of focusing on the positives in any given situation. They are warm, respectful, appreciative of others, able to function as a mediator, and capable of supporting and reassuring those around them. However, they fear facing personal conflict and strife with others, loss of peace, harmony, and relationships, and being separated from others. When confronted with any of the above situations, they become undecisive, unassertive, and unable to make their point because they experience emotional discomfort. They attempt to cope with their unsettling emotional state by minimizing problems, by avoiding, ignoring, and withdrawing from upsetting situations to the point of being apathetic about them. They become passively aggressive rather than proactively addressing the problem, and by believing and acting as if everything is okay when it is not. Loyalists type 6 can make great partners to peacemakers type 9 because loyalists type 6 with their ability to be logical and emotional, with their caring, supportive, and protective nature, and their ability to understand others' perspectives, understand the situation of emotional discomfort the peacemakers type 9 are going through, and provide the needed intellectual clarification and emotional support they need to cope with their emotions and get back to normalcy. Thus, loyalists type 6 and peacemakers type 9 would make a compatible Enneagram pair and great partners in relationship because peacemakers provide a calming, caring, soothing, trustworthy and anchoring presence when loyalists suffer from trust issue, and loyalists provide the needed intellectual clarification and emotional support the peacemakers need to cope with their emotional slump. 7. Compatibility of type 7 enthusiast adventurer with type 9 peacemaker mediator. Enthusiasts type 7 are enthusiastic, optimistic, adventurous, spontaneous, inspiring, creative, playful, extroverted, people-oriented, enjoy being around people and seek out for new relationships, experiences and opportunities. They manifest high energy and present a positive perspective of life. Adventurous and exciting situations inspire them. They prioritize enjoyment and look for opportunities to present themselves positively. They are quick thinkers, learners, and skill acquirees. They can work with multiple options and arrive at solutions, and they can easily handle change in plans. However, they fear missing out on excitement, encountering negative situations, getting caught up in negative emotions, being open to past painful events and experiences, and getting involved in deep and committed relationships. When they are confronted with any of the above situations, they find it difficult to focus on tasks and stay on course, but chase their dreams, they delay schedules, avoid committing to concrete plans, and allow for last-minute changes so that they do not miss out any excitement. They get easily bored and look for something new. To avoid being upset, they justify theirs and others' actions. They become self-centered and vain. They make rash and impulsive decisions, and being anxious about the present without facing it, they look to the future excitement as a solution to the present problem. Peacemakers type 9 can make great partners to enthusiasts type 7 because as lovers of peace and harmony, peacemakers type 9 are calm, slow, composed, thoughtful, reflective and strictly follow a routine. Hence, they can help enthusiasts type 7 to focus on the present task, stay on course, help them follow a routine, thereby free them from getting lost in looking for future excitement as a solution to the present problem, besides helping them to curb their undue desire for future excitement and let go unnecessary anxieties and fears about the present. Peacemakers type 9, as we mentioned earlier, are accepting, agreeable, optimistic, adaptive in their behavior, calm, composed, accommodative, open-minded, non-judgmental, and suspend judgment until they arrive at the truth of a given situation. They desire both internal and external peace, strive to be balanced, stable and harmonious in their relationships with others, enjoy being alone or with small groups, highly perceptive, informed through their gut instincts, able to see multiple perspectives and capable of focusing on the positives in any given situation. They are warm, respectful, appreciative of others, able to function as a mediator and capable of supporting and reassuring those around them. However, they fear facing personal conflict and strife with others, loss of peace, harmony, and relationships, and being separated from others. When confronted with any of the above situations, they become undecisive, unassertive, and unable to make their point because they experience emotional discomfort. They attempt to cope with their unsettling emotional state by minimizing problems, by avoiding, ignoring, and withdrawing from upsetting situations to the point of being apathetic about them, by being passively aggressive rather than proactively addressing the problem, and by believing and acting as if everything is okay when it is not. Enthusiasts type 7 is a compatible Enneagram type for peacemakers type 9 because enthusiasts type 7, with their optimistic, adventurous, extroverted, and people-oriented nature, with their high energy, positive outlook to life, and love for new experiences, can move peacemakers type 9 out of their routine and open new and positive avenues for them to tread, thereby help them to let go their tendency to avoid, ignore, and withdraw from upsetting situations, minimizing their problems, and pretend to be okay when they are not okay. Thus, enthusiasts type 7 and peacemakers type 9 would make a compatible Enneagram pair and great partners in a relationship as they complement each other's shadows with each other's positives. We will continue our analysis of the most compatible Enneagram types in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed until we see you again with another video.